made tea. This is what you drink, right?
It's good, just how I make it. I suspect you don't miss much, do you, Billy?
Hey, look, earlier I wasn't spying on you or anything.
That's not what I'm talking about.
What, you mean me listening to you and Jake? I made sure I couldn't miss that. I'm guessing you wanted me to hear your whole healer shtick?
You take too many risks. Your behavior is self-destructive.
So what, you're trying to transform me too? That it?
I just think everyone is worth saving. Even you. Even if you don't.
Well, I got